In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Google Tasks, making this an easy integration tutorial. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly useful for organizing your workload and managing tasks directly from your spreadsheet. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open your Google Sheets. This can be done by visiting the Google Sheets homepage and selecting or creating a new spreadsheet. Having everything in one place, like a spreadsheet where you manage your data and tasks, makes the workflow much more streamlined and efficient. If you're setting up a new tracker or task list, now is also a good time to think about which columns or data points you want to include for your tasks. Now, it's important to note that Google Sheets and Google Tasks are possibly already integrated. However, this integration might be hidden from your view. If you're not seeing it, don't worry, we're going to reveal it. Head to the bottom right of your Google Sheets window. There you'll see an arrow symbol. This arrow is crucial as it allows you to access additional panels, and this is where the Google Tasks integration lies. Click on the arrow at the bottom right to show the side panel. This is a quick action that will toggle open a menu on the right side of your screen. Once opened, you'll notice that Google Tasks is readily available in this sidebar. Many users often miss this feature because it's neatly tucked away, but it's a tremendous tool for aligning your to-do lists directly with your data in Google Sheets. This setup gives you the flexibility to click back and forth between tasks and sheets without losing sight of your priorities for the day. With the sidebar open, you will now see Google Tasks as part of the integrated apps list. At this point, you can begin to use this feature to create and manage tasks that correlate with your spreadsheets. For instance, if you have a list of project due dates in your spreadsheet, you can simultaneously create these as tasks in Google Tasks, ensuring you have reminders and notifications for each deadline. Leveraging this sidebar is not just about creating tasks, it also helps with modifying and deleting them as needed. If you adjust something in your spreadsheet, you can easily make concurrent changes in your tasks, maintaining a seamless correlation between your data and task list. This synergy is ideal for those managing projects, coordinating team efforts, or simply trying to maintain a more organized personal schedule. There you have it, a few straightforward steps to integrate Google Sheets with Google Tasks directly through the sidebar panel. We hope this enhances your productivity and makes managing your tasks and data more cohesive and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.